If you spend too much time copying data from websites, checking prices, or repeating the same browser steps over and over, AutoBrowse AI is the kind of tool that can immediately get your attention, because it turns repetitive browsing into reusable tasks. Before we begin the review, if you want my full written review, along with all the details about the awesome bonuses I've put together, click the first link in the description below and head over to kunalmendiruta.com. There you'll find the complete written review and everything you need to know before making your decision. Now back to my video review. AutoBrowse AI is a no-code browser automation app. In plain English, it helps you build tasks that can open websites, click buttons, type into fields, wait for pages to load, extract data, and save the results in one organized place. The big idea is simple. Instead of doing the same online job by hand every time, you build it once and reuse it. The sales page speaks directly to people who are stuck in manual browser work. If you're researching leads, monitoring competitor prices, gathering product data, filling forms, or copying details into spreadsheets, you know how fast the hours disappear. The product is positioned as a way to remove that repetitive grind and give you a repeatable system you can run again and again. The workflow is built around a visual control center. You can start from scratch or pick one of 60+ ready-made blueprints. Then you drag and drop simple blocks like input, navigate, click, type, wait, logic, extraction, screenshot, output, identity, schedule, and export. That means the process feels more like building a checklist than writing code. Once the task is set up, AutoBrowse AI can run it on real websites and send the results into its data vault. This is one of the strongest parts of the offer. A lot of automation tools sound great until you try to use the output. Here, the page emphasizes clean CSV and JSON exports, organized results, and a connected data vault so you can actually reuse the work. That matters if you want lead lists, client reports, price checks, or research data that is ready to go instead of messy and incomplete. A few features stand out right away. First, the 60+ blueprints can help you start faster instead of staring at a blank canvas. Second, separate website identities are useful if you manage different client or brand logins. Third, live run status makes it easier to see what is waiting, running, finished, or needs attention. And the screenshot capture feature can be handy when you want visual proof from a step in the process. Based on the page, AutoBrowse AI looks best for marketers, agencies, freelancers, e-commerce owners, researchers, and operators who repeat the same browser tasks often. If you need lead research, competitor tracking, market data, directory collection, website monitoring, or repetitive form entry, this is clearly built around those use cases. It also looks beginner-friendly, which is important if you want automation without learning code. The front-end offer is shown as a one-time $14.95 launch price, with no monthly fees claimed. The page also lists an optional AutoBrowse AI Business Edition upsell at $9.97 one time, which is described as a faster server option. The value angle is straightforward. If you're replacing manual work, scraper subscriptions, or even some VA tasks, the one-time structure is the part that will appeal to a lot of buyers. Results vary, of course, and the vendor does not publish verified earnings data. My honest verdict is that AutoBrowse AI looks like a strong fit for people who are tired of repetitive browser work and want a beginner-friendly, no-code way to automate it. The combination of blueprints, reusable tasks, scheduling, and organized exports gives it a practical edge, especially at the one-time launch price. Results vary, but the concept and feature set are genuinely useful. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.